express 2 minus x times x minus 5 in the form a minus x minus b whole square, where a and b are constants. State the coordinates of the maximum point of the graph of y equals 2 minus x times x minus 5, and also state what symmetry the graph has. So we have to first remove the brackets here. That's the first thing that we have to do. We have to remove these brackets and by multiplying them out, and then we get a and b, and we can then find the coordinates of the maximum point and also state what symmetry the graph has. So 2 minus x times x minus 5 equals, we can write 2x, so 2 times x, 2x, minus 10 minus x squared plus 5x, and then we can write that as minus x squared plus 7x minus 10. And this term, minus x squared plus 7x minus 10, we have to turn it into a square. Write it in that format. So it can also be written as, if you leave minus outside the bracket, then you have x squared minus 7x plus 10. And this is the term x. So there's another square term that's not there. So we will add the square term and subtract it. So what I did is minus of x squared minus 2.7 out of 2x plus 7 out of 2 whole square. And because I've added 7 out of 2, and you see these 2's get neatly cancelled out. So because I've added the 7 out of 2, I have to subtract 49 out of 4. I've added 7 out of 2 whole square. That's what I meant. So then that would equal minus of x minus 7 out of 2 whole square plus 10 minus 49 out of 4, and that equals minus of x minus 7 out of 2 whole square plus 9 out of 4. And you see this is of the form that they have asked us for. It is a minus x minus b whole square. And from here we get that a equals 9 out of 4 and b equals 7 out of 2. So the first part is done, where a and b are constants. And now the coordinates of the maximum point. So of course the coordinates of the maximum point are going to be 7 out of 2, because with x is the 7 out of 2, so that's the x part, and this is the y part. So 7 out of 2, 9 out of 4. Right, so that's the coordinate of the maximum point. Just for information, the graph is inverted because of course the term with x squared is a negative term, so the coefficient of x squared is negative, sorry, so the graph is inverted, and therefore what happens is we have the maximum point, and the line of symmetry would be x equals 7 out of 2, and what we get is, so the symmetry, so we can say that what symmetry the graph has, the symmetry the graph has is line of symmetry is x equals 7 out of 2. I think that completes the question.